front of me is HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection in both Celia and Microsoft keyboards. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on System and Updates. Then select Language and Input and click on your keyboard. Let's start with Celia. After clicking on it, you need to select this section called Input and then tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to turn it off or switch it on. If you are using Microsoft though, after clicking on it, select Typing. Then use this switcher next to Autocorrect at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!